Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another Cheeky Crypto video. And this is a crypto basics tutorial, and this is how to transfer COTI to Metamask. So really short, punchy video. Really just want to make sure people do this in a safe manner. So make sure you pay attention. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. It really does support the channel. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here on Metamask. Can't get my words out today. And as you can see, we are on the Binance Smart Chain, I guess, option here. So we've got the Ethereum part of the wallet, and then we've got the Binance Smart Chain. So what you will do is head on over to CoinMarketCap. The reason why I come here and just want to be really clear with people is that you can get incorrect details, and it's just easier to come where you know the information is going to be correct and accurate and most up to date. So I come over to CoinMarketCap, and as you can see here on the Ethereum side of things, you've just got this Metamask image here. You can just press that and add it to the Ethereum side of things. So if we just change over to Ethereum here. So you have to have your wallet open. Come over to CoinMarketCap. If you click there, it will basically add, and you can't see it, but it comes up on my screen. It will say add COTI to Metamask. So you can click add, and now if I come back over to my Metamask wallet, you can see that COTI has been added on the Ethereum side of my wallet. Now you can do it on Binance Smart Chain, which would be the option that I would choose just because it's cheaper. If you come down to more here, you got 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀𝗪, so that would be the one that we will use. Didn't mean to do that. Let's just go back, and you would press the MetaMask image there, and again it'll come up saying to add suggested tokens. Click add token. You can't see that on my screen, but it comes up. And then we've got it now here on the MetaMask wallet for the Binance side of the wallet, right? So all you would do, copy the account address, head on over to the exchange that you're moving your COTI from. And the really important part of this is that you make sure you send it on the correct chain. So for example, if you added the COTI token to Metamask on the Ethereum chain and you want to send it on Ethereum, you would need to choose the Ethereum chain on the exchange as the network of choice. If you wanted to send it on the Binance Smart Chain, again, you would have to choose the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀𝗪 BNB chain as the network. Now, what I always tell people to do is do a small test transaction and make sure that it turns up in your MetaMask wallet before moving any big sums of cryptocurrency. This basically just keeps us safe in the space. So yeah, really important that you do that. So it's really, really easy to add COTI to MetaMask in this way. Just make sure, like I say, you send it on the right network. So really short, punchy video for you. And I believe you can also add it to the Cardano wallets as well. Maybe that'll be another tutorial for a later date. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.